Clearwater, Florida. A murder-suicide occurred in a community on the 2300 block of Hillcreek Circle East in the countryside region. Audrey Peterson, 61, was killed by her ex-boyfriend, 71-year-old Francis Scoza, while running to a neighbor's house for assistance. Just a few days before, she asked the judge for a protective order against him but was denied. Additionally, new information suggested that on the day she was murdered, he might have become aware of the request and an impending proceeding against him. Congresswoman Anna Paulina Luna is now calling on the judge in Peterson's case to resign. The system failed her. They should have issued the protective order, Luna said in a statement. If she had been respected as an individual, had they taken this seriously, she wouldn't be dead right now. However, Congresswoman Luna has a history with the judge involved in this case, Judge Deneen Law, as Luna was previously denied a protective order from her own claimed stalker. The CEO of the Spring Tampa Bay, an organization that assists victims of domestic violence, stated that Peterson could not have been protected by a piece of paper alone. We ask questions like, what do you think your partner will do if he or she finds out you filed an injunction? If the answer is, I think he might kill me, then that's a higher risk and we need to think about other safety issues, the Spring's Mindy Murphy said. The protective order is just a piece of paper, and this guy sounded like he was committed to killing her, and a piece of paper is not going to stop that, but safety planning might have. A statement was issued by a court spokesperson in the name of Judge Law. The court is deeply saddened to learn of Ms. Peterson's tragic demise. Legal prerequisites must be fulfilled in order for the court to grant a temporary injunction. Ms. Peterson's petition lacked sufficient specificity to allow the judge to find that there had been repeated episodes of deliberate and malicious behavior with the sole purpose of harassing the petitioner and causing significant emotional distress. Legally, the judge was unable to issue a provisional injunction. The judge, in accordance with Ms. Peterson's request, conducted a hearing to provide the petitioner with an opportunity to elaborate and be heard. Authorities say that Scoza and Peterson's long-term relationship ended not long ago. He arrived at her home at 8 p.m. and forced his way through the back door. Scoza followed her as she ran to get help from a neighbor. He shot her several times before she passed out outside the house and died. Following this, Scoza killed himself with a gun in the yard of the same neighbor. If you or someone you know is affected by domestic violence, get help at www.thespring.org, get help, or the National Domestic Violence Hotline by calling 813-247-7233 or texting START to 88788. If you enjoy this video, follow us and subscribe.